Ever wonder why Amazon is ghosting your affiliate dreams? Here are the top 5 reasons why people get banned from Amazon associates. Reason number 1, do not hide, cloak, or spoof your URL for your Amazon affiliate link. So what does this mean? So if you go up here to get link, click on text. So this link right here that I'm highlighting, it has to say the Amazon.to link. You can't use a link shortening service like Bitly or anything like that. Amazon requires you to show that it's an Amazon link and people are clicking on an Amazon link. Reason number 2, do not use Amazon's ratings, Amazon's reviews, Amazon's prices, or their product images. You have to make these product images your own and totally customize it. You can't use a product image straight from the listing like you see right here. You're gonna have to go into a photo editing software and you're gonna have to customize it and make it your own version of the image. Reason number 3, you're not using an Amazon affiliate disclosure saying that you would earn from qualifying purchases on your blog, on your website, on your social media. So let me show you what this looks like. So on a blog website, you can scroll down and you can put it right here at the very top. So it's very clear that you're a participant in Amazon Associates program and you do earn from qualifying purchases. This is going to save you a lot of headache, including the FTC coming after you. So make sure that you put the disclaimer in your blog post or your social media post, somewhere in there. Make sure it's really visible. Reason number 4, not keeping your Amazon Associates website list updated. So in order to do this, you go into your dashboard, then you click on your email address at the top right here, click on account settings, and it's going to take you to this screen, and then you're going to click on edit your website, mobile app, Alexa skill list. And right here, this is where you're going to put all of the links, the URLs that you're going to be promoting all of your Amazon affiliate products on. So whether it's your blog, your website, any type of social media, you're going to want to insert that here and follow the steps, click on next, and then you'll make sure to have it updated. Reason number 5, the final reason that most people get banned from the Amazon Associates affiliate program is do not incentivize your viewers or your followers to click on your links. In addition, don't suggest people bookmark the link in order to click it later and buy something later. So you can't offer any kind of incentives or any kind of rewards or enticing anybody to click your links. So definitely stay away from that. You want to keep everything on the up and up. If you want to learn how I made almost $2,000 in one day with Pinterest affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video next.